Hey you, are you tired of that old, ugly PC setup and want to get a new, even faster one? Well, that's great, but how are you going to dispose of the old one? That's why we're here today. Electronic waste, more commonly known as e-waste for short, is a continuously growing problem all around the globe. So in honor of it being Earth Day just a couple days ago, I'm here to explain 5 facts on how e-waste affects us, showing you the massive downsides to each point. But before that, here's an undeniably real example of what e-waste looks like in the real world. So, as previously stated, we are going to be taking a real world look at what e-waste looks like in the actual world. For all you gamers out there who never go outside your mom's basement, these are called leaves. Very nice. So without further ado, let's go try and find some e-waste products we can find in the natural habitat. Fully functioning Xbox One S, definitely real. Multiple games will always come with a disposed Xbox that is completely working. Oculus Quest 2, definitely fully functioning. Fully functioning. We'll definitely find in the wild. Anything. School Chromebook, always a very nice find, very common in Texas. So, as you can see, this is the kind of stuff everyday people will undeniably find on a day-to-day basis walking around in public. Starting off, 80 to 85% of electronic devices are discarded in landfills or incinerators, releasing toxins into the air. Lead is just one of these toxins, and with the right amount of exposure can lead to anemia, weakness, kidney, and brain damage. So yes, I'm talking about League of Legends players here. Secondly, 20 to 50 million metric tons of e-waste is disposed of worldwide every year. For comparison, that's about 32,258,064 sedans by average size. For even more of a comparison, that many cars could go around the earth a little over 3.5 times. But anyways, cell phones and a lot of other electronics sometimes contain high amounts of precious metals like silver and gold. Americans alone dump phones containing over $60 million worth. You could get a 1-bedroom studio apartment in California for that much. Let that sink in. On to the next point. Recycling 1 million laptops every year saves the energy equivalent to the electricity used by 3,657 US homes in an entire year. And yeah, I understand that's a small margin when compared to the total amount of e-waste or US homes, but it's something. Now, overall, only about 12.5% of all e-waste is currently being recycled. There are lots of other problems e-waste causes too, like killing the environment and hurting the animal population. Except when it comes to recharging eels. Totally legal. But anyway, this is just a smidge of the full list of negative effects e-waste has on our planet, and the sign for you, yes you, to start disposing of your electronics properly too. There are lots of sites and programs like www.cta.tech that can show you recyclers near you. Even your local Best Buy offers a recycling program for old electronics and will even offer gift cards if your old electronics still have value. So please, try and recycle or reuse your unwanted electronics. You'd be doing the world and yourself a great deed.